Big story coming in. 4 people from Kargil have been detained by the Delhi police in connection with the Israeli embassy blast case. A team of the National Investigation Agency is also to leave for Kargil. You look at those 2 images. Remember, on the 29th of January in the evening, a little after 6, there was a blast outside the Israeli embassy. We are told 4 students, these are 4 students who are from Kargil, who've been detained in connection with the blast at the Israeli embassy. It was a low-intensity blast that took place right outside the Israeli embassy. It was in the flower pots outside. Some low-intensity improvised explosive device had been placed on the 29th of January. The initial information from CCTV cameras seemed to indicate that the blast, people had come in a taxi, got off, kept a device and moved away. India Today's Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu now joins me for more on the story. Kamal, CCTV cameras seem to have given some indications, but what more can you tell us about this arrest?
Well, Gaurav, our sources are clearly talking about detention and not arrest yet. There's been no formal announcement being made regarding this. What we've been told that these are 4 students and they are suspects in the case. We've also been told that a Delhi police team is already there. We don't know whether they plan to arrest them formally or whether they will hand them over to NIA. You would remember after the 29 January blast, the case was handed over to the NIA. Just about recently, a week ago or so, the NIA had made an announcement of a 10 lakh rupees award based on the CCTV footage which they had released. So there were visuals which were released. There was information which was sought from general public, and perhaps based on that, some information has come in, after which these detentions have been made. More information is likely to come in after a while, but at this point of time, we're waiting a formal announcement. We've also been told by the NIA sources that a team has been dispatched to the location. We will know in a while from now, but yes, this is the first, what seemed like a dead end. This is a significant move as far as the agency is concerned.
Okay.
First, an announcement of a reward, and now the first few detentions being made in this entire case.
Keep tracking that story, Kamal. I will come back to you for more. A quick break at this stage. We'll come back to this story. Lots more happening. The meeting at the Prime Minister's residence with leaders of Jammu and Kashmir.